viewers, and welcome to the Division of Education, Innovation and Energy e-learning program. I am Mrs. Patrice Baynes-Forde. Today's lesson is catered to Standard 5. Topic today is V.A.T in mathematics. At the end of the lesson, pupil will be able to apply appropriate mathematical operations to solve word problems related to V.A.T. Let's review. V.A.T stands for Value Added Tax. V.A.T is a charge that is added to items on goods purchased. It is added to the selling price of item on items being purchased. V.A.T is charged at 12.5% in Trinidad and Tobago. And here's a little tip for you. 12.5% is equal to 1/8 as a fraction. So let's go straight into an example. A radio costs $320 plus V.A.T. V.A.T is charged at 12.5%. What is the total cost of the radio? Remember, V.A.T is a charge that is added to items or goods purchased. Step 1. Let's calculate the V.A.T on the item. The item costs $320 and the V.A.T, as we said, is equal to 1/8. 8 into 8 is 1. 8 into 32 is 4. 8 into 0 is 0. So therefore, our V.A.T is $40. Our V.A.T is $40. After finding V.A.T, remember that the V.A.T is $40. So now we calculate the cost of the item. Remember, when V.A.T is added, the cost of the item increases. So the cost of the item plus V.A.T equals the total. The cost of the radio is $320 plus V.A.T, which we found, $40, equals, let's do the addition over here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. So our new cost for our radio is $360. Remember, at the beginning, the cost of the radio cost $320. We found the V.A.T, so the new, which was $40. So the new price of the radio is $360. So we are going to do one together. Let's read. Carla purchased a bicycle as well as a skateboard. The bicycle cost $1,000 and the skateboard cost 40% less than the bicycle. A V.A.T of 12.5% was added to the cost of the items. Calculate the total amount of money Carla paid for both items. And as we said, V.A.T is a charge added to the cost of items purchased. The question said the skateboard cost $40 less of the bicycle. So the first part said the skateboard cost 40% less than the bicycle. So step 1 here, we have to find 40% left of the bicycle. And here we go. 0 cancel 0. 0 cancel 0. Main rate, no more zeros to cancel off. So 40 times 10 is equal to $400. So since the question stated that 40% less than the bicycle, we must subtract to find the cost of the skateboard. So determine the cost of the skateboard, we must subtract the $1,000, which is the cost of the bicycle, and the 40% less, which is $400, which is equal to $600. So we just found 40% left, and to determine the cost of the skateboard, we subtract the $1,000 for the bicycle, subtract 400 less, and the cost of the skateboard is now $600. Calculate the cost of both items. Now that we have found the cost of the bicycle and the cost of the skateboard, we're now going to find the total cost of both items. Bicycle plus skateboard, $1,000 for the bicycle plus $600 equals, we are now going to do our addition. 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 6 equals 6, 1 plus 0 equals 1. Our total cost for our bicycle and skateboard altogether is $1,600. So now we found the total cost. So cost of both items is $1,600. Now we are going to find the VAT on the both items. Calculate the VAT on the cost of both items. And here we go. The both items cost $1,600 together, and VAT we know is equal to 1/8. 8 into 8, 1. 8 into 62. 8 into 0, 0. 8 is 0. So our VAT is $200. Let's do that again. We have found the VAT on the cost of the item because VAT is added to the cost of items purchased. So now that we have found the cost of both items and the VAT, we are going to find out the total cost of the items. Cost of both items, $1,600 plus VAT, $200. And now let's do our calculations. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. So our new cost on our both items value at $1,800. Remember, VAT is a charge added to items purchased. So the items purchased was cost $1,600, the VAT $200, so our new cost, which will be more, $1,800. Thank you for viewing today's lesson. If you have any further questions, you can contact your class teacher via WhatsApp. Also, the Division of Education, Innovation and Energy website will give you further questions. Thank you.